In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Pay account. We'll set things up in a few minutes and I'll explain each screen so you know exactly what to expect. All you need is a web browser and a Google account plus a payment method you want to use. Having your card or bank details nearby will make this quick. Availability and options can vary by country and bank, so the labels you see may differ slightly, but the flow is the same. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type pay.google.com and press enter. If you're redirected to the Google Wallet page, that's normal. It's the same place where you manage Google Pay. Sign in with your existing Google account. If you don't have one yet, select the option to create an account and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your email and basic details before proceeding. Once signed in, you'll land on your Google Pay or Wallet home screen. Next, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Open it to see any cards or bank accounts already saved to your profile. To add a new one, choose Add Payment Method. You can link a credit card, a debit card, or a bank account depending on what's supported in your region. Enter the requested information carefully: name, card number, expiration date, and security code for cards, or the specific bank details shown on screen for an account. Double check everything for typos before continuing to avoid verification delays. After you submit your details, complete any authentication required by your bank or card issuer. This could include a one-time code sent to you, a 3D secure prompt, or an approval in your banking app. Keep the page open and follow the instructions exactly. Closing the window too early can interrupt the process. You may also be asked for your billing address to finalize setup. Make sure it matches the address your bank has on file, including the postal code, as mismatches are a common reason for declines. When everything is verified, your new payment method will appear under Payment Methods, and your Google Pay account is ready to use. From here, you can set a default payment option and use Google Pay on supported websites, apps, and services signed in with the same Google account. If something doesn't work, check that your country and bank support Google Pay, confirm your name and address exactly match your banking records, and try again. For added safety, keep your Google account protected with strong sign-in security.